So my first shock is over. Now, so we just saw that SAP, the Z score is totally predictable. And let's just see, it's a RD, give me SAP, and now give me the standard deviation. All right, that's the daily standard deviation. So my friend, take the NumPy package, square root 252. Let's annualize it. Are you kidding me? We have 100% volatility for SAP. Have you ever seen a firm that has an annual volatility over 20 years, which is above 80%? Here you see one. And the point is we take adjusted prices so that we get less excess volatility from dividend payouts or from stock splits, and we still have 102. So I don't know, what about you? But I think that's a data error. So Yahoo Finance, please talk to me. Help me, help my students. What's going on here? Please help. Okay, now just to follow up, what else can we do? Let's get the equal weight portfolio. So we have a market portfolio, and let's plot everything. But I have to run. It's 3 o'clock. I got an appointment, so we do that next time. All right. Stay tuned. Send feedback, and help us improve. Bye bye.